If you're a content creator or if you're new to YouTube and you're still trying to create content, there are certain things you have to put into check. One of which is actually making sure that your YouTube channel is verified. Without this, you will not be able to have access to some basic features like posting longer videos, going live on YouTube, or even using customized thumbnails on your videos, which is not nice because your thumbnail is actually the market you're selling. So it doesn't even make people or attract people to actually come and watch your video. Without that, YouTube will just select a particular thumbnail for you based on your video, which you may not even like at the end of the day. So to do that, you have to verify your YouTube channel with your phone number. Okay, and mind you that when you want to verify your YouTube channel, it's recommended that you use a phone number that is rhyming with the country you're currently living at, because you're actually going to select your country of residence before you start verifying your YouTube channel. All you just need is to get your phone number ready, log into your YouTube Studio dashboard, and start this process. It does not really take time. So now stay with me as I walk you through the process.
So first of all, you come to your YouTube studio. When you come to YouTube studio, look down here that shows this settings icon. Click on the settings icon. Once you click on the settings icon, come down to this place that says channel. When you come to channel, scroll over to feature eligibility. Once you come to feature eligibility, you're going to see standard features, intermediate features, and advanced features. So you have to click on number 2, which is the intermediate features, because that is what is going to give you access to posting videos of over 15 minutes, customized thumbnails, and even live streaming. Click on the place that says eligible. Come to this place that says verify phone number. Click on verify phone number. Allow the page to load properly. Once the page loads, you're going to see this phone verification step 1 of 2. To use this feature, verify your phone number. Then you're going to see how should we deliver the verification code to you. So they either text you the verification code or they call you with an automated voice message. Preferably you use the text the verification code. That once you put in that phone number, they will send a verification code to that same phone number that you imputed. Okay, and then you select your country. I'm in Nigeria, so I'm going to select Nigeria as my country, which is already here. If you haven't chosen any country yet, click on that menu and you're going to see a list of other countries. Okay, and choose the country that you're currently residing in. Then what is your phone number? You put in the phone number. After it, you tap on next. So I'll be using this. After which you click on next. Then they're going to send a 6-digit code to that phone number you imputed. So I'll wait for the code to appear. And the code is actually right. So I have to put in the code, copy it, come here and paste the code. Okay. Once you paste the code, click on submit. Boom, you see your phone number has been verified. Once you click on submit, the phone number gets verified automatically. Now you can close the window and go back to YouTube. And if you come back, that page has been reloaded. And if you notice, we now have access to the intermediate features. Before it was showing not eligible, right now it is enabled. So right now you currently have access to customized thumbnails, live streaming, and posting videos that are longer than 15 minutes. And once you're done with this, just click on close and you're done with that. Okay.
And guys, that is all about that. Once you've verified your channel, you can go back to your YouTube settings and you notice that your YouTube channel has been verified and you now have access to the basic feature. And mind you that you can only use a particular phone number on 2 accounts, 2 different YouTube channels, 2 different YouTube accounts in 1 year. So you can only use this particular phone number, verify this channel and another channel in 1 year. If you must reuse that same phone number to verify a third channel, you must make sure that a year has passed. 1 year after 1 year, you can use the same phone number and verify a third channel. That is that about that. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, turn on the post notifications so that you will always get notified whenever I make new videos. I will see you when I see you. For now, bye.